Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of functional programming series. Return a sorted array without changing the original array. A side effect of sort method is that it changes the order of the elements in original array. In other words, it mutates the array in place. One way to avoid this is to first concatenate an empty array to the one being sorted. Remember that slice and concat return a new array. Then run the sort method. Use the sort method in a non-mutating sort function to sort the elements of an array in ascending order. The function should return a new array and not mutate the global array variable. In this case, we are provided with an array. We have to sort this array. In that case, let new arr equal to arr dot, or simply use triple dot arr. We can do this, or we can use arr dot slice or arr dot concat, any one of those. And upon this we will use the sort a comma b and a minus b return, or we can directly return this. Looks good. Run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.